Welcome to Scholarships 365 YouTube channel, one of the world's largest opportunity network. If you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified of all the latest opportunities that we will be sharing with you. Welcome back to Scholarships 365 YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship, which is offered for international students, and it is a fully funded opportunity for you to study in Canada. You can study master's, PhD and master's leading to PhD degree programs. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Now, looking at the benefits of the Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship Program, this is offered like $50,000 per year, and it is offered for 3 years, which is non-renewable. $50,000 is enough to cover your university fee, accommodation, and other expenses. And guys, if you plan to study masters leading to PhD, you can ask your supervisor or research professor for further support because they provide further support for international students if they need it in their research field. Now, looking at the program fields which are offered are health research, natural sciences, engineering research, social sciences, and humanities research. The eligibility criteria is eligible countries, Canadian citizens, permanent residents of Canada, and foreign citizens. For complete eligibility criteria, check here. Now let's look how you can apply for Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship Program. You have to apply to Canadian university which have quota or seats of this scholarship program. We can check the seats for Vanier here. So these are all the universities, and you can see here they are written in alphabetic order, and all these details from 2021 to 2022. Now we have to look at 2023 to 2024. You can check here, and total for the three funding agencies, all the details are available here. Many pages are available. You can check in whatever university you are applying to. You can check, is there quota available, how many seats are available. Okay, now the next step is every university has its own deadline. So you need to open that university official site and check the deadline prior to applying. And the third step is you can apply to one university only for 1 year. That university will evaluate your profile and then nominate you for Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship Program, and then will recommend you to Vanier. And the final decision is in the hands of Vanier. So after that, you need to complete a Vanier CGS application. First of all, you need to confirm eligibility criteria, then contact your desired nominating institution, and then when you are applying, you need to contact with the Faculty of Graduate Studies and tell that you are intending to apply for Vanier CGS program. Register for Canadian Common CV and ResearchNet accounts, create a CCV and link to ResearchNet application, and then start that application. Identify your area of research. Complete application procedure is available here. So guys, you are directed here. Let's see from the start. Here they are telling us an overview of the Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship Program. First of all, you have to complete the application form, then Canadian Common CV, nomination letter, all these details are available here. The selection criteria is based on academic excellence, research potential, and leadership. All these necessary details are available here, what they are looking for in Vanier CGS. All the details, if you have any, are available here. You can check here. Now looking at the deadline, it is going to start in July 2023, and the deadline to apply for VCGS is November 2023. That's it, guys. That is how you apply for Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship Program for international students. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any question, comment below and I will answer your all questions regarding this scholarship program. Thank you. Till next video, take care. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and join our social media networks. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and join us on Telegram. All the links are given in description.